Here is today's featured recipe, Jello cookies, 3/4 cup of shortening, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1 box Jello mix, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 2½ cups of flour, 1 teaspoon each of baking powder and salt. Mix together first 5 ingredients. Blend in the rest. Roll into 1/4 inch balls. Place on greased cookie sheet. Flatten with the bottom of glass. Bake at 400 degrees until set. Let's begin. Measure out 3/4 of a cup of shortening. Add 1/2 cup of sugar. Cream the shortening and sugar together until smooth. This is where the cookies start to come together. Add 1 box of dry Jello powder. Crack in 2 eggs. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Measure 2 1/2 cups of flour. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. Gradually mix in the dry ingredients until a soft dough forms. Roll the dough into small balls with your hands. Rolling the balls in sugar is an option here. Lightly grease a cookie sheet. Place the dough balls onto the prepared cookie sheet. Flatten each cookie gently using the bottom of a glass. This helps them bake nice and even. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Every oven is a little different, so keep an eye on them. Place the cookies into the oven. Bake for 8 to 12 minutes, just until the edges are set. Remove the cookies from the oven when the edges are set and the tops are lightly cracked. Let the cookies cool on the pan for a minute, then transfer to a rack to finish cooling. They'll be soft to the touch, lightly cracked on top, and smell sweet the moment they come out of the oven. Bright, simple, and full of that old-fashioned Jello cookie charm. Just like Grandma taught me, here is your extra bonus recipe. Apple cake, 1 cup brown sugar, 1 cup white sugar, 1/2 cup shortening, 2 eggs, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 2 1/2 cups flour, 1 cup milk, 1 teaspoon of soda, 2 cups diced apples, cream sugar and shortening together. Add eggs, milk, flour, soda, and salt. Mix well. Add apples. Mix. Put in 13 by 9 pan. Top with 2/3 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 cup of chopped nuts, 1/3 cup of oleo. Optional, add in butterscotch chips. Bake 350 degrees for 40 to 45 minutes. Reduced recipe, small apple cake, 1 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of oleo, 1/2 cup of water, 2 cups of chopped apples, 1 1/2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of soda, 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix well. 9 by 9 tin. Bake 300 degrees for 45 minutes. Now, doesn't that apple cake look so good? Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed today's recipes, please like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment and let us know how it turned out for you. Handwritten Heritage Recipes is all about preserving these recipes of the past by sharing them with you, so y'all come back soon. From our home to your home, see you next time. Be blessed.